Hi, this is Dave Forster with Basecamp Trading, and today we're going to be talking about doing a little bit of bottom fishing in AT&T. One of the reasons I keep some defensive stocks in my portfolio is exactly for the type of situation we're having right now. So if you take a look at some defensive stocks besides AT&T, say like Pepsi, for example, you'll see that it's been selling off somewhat as the market's been going up, but generally speaking, these defensive stocks will get bought up when the overall market is selling off. So Pepsi, this is day two of a move up, and Verizon, as well, AT&T competitor, may as well take a look at Verizon. It also has been moving on up, and it also found some support recently, but AT&T could be earlier in a bounce here, and it is more of a defensive type of stock. So let's go back to AT&T and give you an idea of what we could do with it. So you could try and swing trade it, potentially. What I'm looking at is some former support that it had. So right in through here, this low, it was broken, but now we're back up above it. So if I draw a trend line in like so, I can use that trend line as my line in the sand that I don't want to break. So today is the first day back above that level. We didn't spend a lot of time below it. And AT&T has a 4.8% yield. So we might get some bottom fishers interested in it, but I like the gap up today. And as long as we stay above $23, we could get some more buying pressure. All right. Also, wanted to mention that you can head to bctnow.com/join. And when you go there, you'll be able to get a 30-day unlimited access to our Platinum Club for just $7. All right. So keep an eye on AT&T, and as long as the gap up holds, could see more upside. You could do something like buying a married put, something like that. If you're not familiar with these kind of strategies, take advantage of this offer and join trading rooms for 30 days, and we'd be happy to help you out with that. All right, so there's your free video. Keep an eye on AT&T. Hope that helps.